We're finding more and more that, you just need to be a jack of all trades. It's not really affordable anymore to have a bunch of specialists. Everybody kind of needs to do everything. So having tools out there, AI tools, that can help bridge that gap. Someone that maybe doesn't have as much experience or as much, technical expertise in an area, I think helps to produce more well-rounded employees that you can kind of plug and play. You highlight our very first Cam Assist part.
Yeah,
This little bracket.
we tested it full speed.
Yeah, we just sent it and we're like, wow, we got a part out and it's compliant.
Or this was the night after training. We actually put this in the machine.
The first day using it, first full day using Cam Assist. And
yeah, these were some parts that we did. These required another custom fixture that we did. This one was one of the first test ones that we did. It was interesting. This was a new material that we never worked with. We're out of phenolic. These actually went onto some test missile programs. This part actually was a part of an order that we did. These are brackets that should be going up. To do this order, it would become a rush job. We essentially stayed up 2.5 days straight to do all the parts of that entire order. And it was essentially sit down, set up the model, Cam Assist on the machine right after, and then straight through the process.
we never would have been able to have that turnaround time without some help. 4 different setups, 4 different custom fixtures.
Yeah, and like 2 pieces of each part. But having Cam Assist actually made that possible to react like that quickly, because it come down to like, hey, our customer needs these. We're gonna miss a launch window.